Hi guys, it's me, and these are my cats. They are crazy about these. You can't really see them, but they're really crazy about them. Let's see. Puff. Puffle. This is my youngest cat. Ow, no claws. He's the craziest. So they are really crazy, and so I wanted to show you. This we are down. Come on, you love them. So I just want you to see how my guys are, how my cats are in the these. So hey, sit, good boy. That's how I get them to sit. Lie down, good boy. Up. Come on, I want you to jump. Okay, up you go. Maybe not. This is my second youngest cat. He's really fluffy, and sometimes I call him Fluff Boy. He doesn't like it. So he has to hide in different places. Show yourself. I'm your sister. Okay. A closer look. Can you stop eating the camera? I don't get the view of him. So there is. Doesn't show himself so much. I'll put up the full light. Oh, maybe it is full light, but stop scratching. I know what you want. Yes, I know what you want. You want these, right? And try to get a good angle, but oh look, he's trying to get out. Typical him. This is my two cats, and then two of our other cats ran away a few days ago. 2 days ago or something? Yeah, 2 days. So our friends have found one of them because he's so dumb that he's like a dog. When he can't come inside at night, he just runs away. Boy, come there. No, it's okay. Ow, not my fingers. As you might hear, I'm not English or American because I live here in Sweden. My family is down south. 3 of them are, and my older brother is in his room. And I'm 12 years old. And I live with 4 dumb cats. You want it? Do you want it? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Now, I'll show you guys my room. Come on, boys. Come on. This is my room. It's not best light because it's real bad. But this is my stuff. Yeah, I don't really sleep on my bed anymore because I don't really. My friend stinks, and I haven't slept on my bed for 1 month. But yeah, that's my room and my overgrown flower. But as you can see, I don't like to keep things clear. Never, ever in a million years I keep it clean. Boy, not in my room. You're not allowed to go there. Oh yeah, full lightning maybe. Yeah, lightning. And now it's a bit later. Oh fuck. But yeah, this is our stuff. My TV. And then this is one of my older brother's room. It's not really light in here, but I try to keep it light. Of course, this light doesn't work. No, boy. No, not you too. Oh, fuck you. Come on. But yeah, this is our stuff. Movies,